Hey, how is going? And in this video, I show you some key difference between Canva Pro and regular Canva. Then you can decide which Canva Pro is right for you. So I'm using my regular Canva account. So on the design, there are just on the design you have a Canva. Brand kit. This is something exclusive to Canva Pro member only. So brand logo, brand colors, brand fonts. You won't be able to upload or add any app without Canva Pro account. After registering an account, you can use the feature. Create a theme. This is also exclusive to Canva Pro member, and you can actually be part of a team with just a regular Canva account, but you can run and manage your own team. You have access to folder when it comes to design. Each contains all the documents that you have created, like purchase or upload, and also the document that you have deleted. Okay, let's go. We will try to create a logo. One of the first things we saw were resize with crowd net tool in on top with Canva Pro. You can resize to pretty much anything you want and it will make a copy. You can resize from it. Remind me, this is the site Facebook to Twitter to Instagram to LinkedIn. You can also simply resize from 5:7 to 4:6. It's really helpful if you are someone who is creating a bunch of different settings. You can adjust the height, width, and units according to your need. Or you can choose the default size that are already set up for applications such as video, presentation, Facebook post, poster, Instagram post, etc. etc. Okay, next here we have templates, elements, upload, photo, text, style, audio, background. So if I go into the element here, I will just enter the flower type because I have a lot of flower here. You will find that some of these say for free. There are the 3 elements that Canva offers, and then the Pro element. If I click on it, it has the title Canvas icon on it. You can watch from Canva, and I will have to pay to remove the watermark by switching to Pro. So I will remove that, but on my Pro account, I will have access to all of this content text. So we won't go into this right now. Similar to you here, this is something that is about to be a little different. So upload is so you can drag the image from your desktop, or you can drag the image from a downloadable place. You both image that are element, and the cool thing is you can put them in folder or element folder. Similar to image, we can also drag video or audio into our archive. Next step, so we can add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Similar to free font style and Pro font style, you can use Pro font style if you have a Canva Pro account. And the next, in the style sections, there are many typeface, colors, and fonts for you to choose from. But for Canva Pro, you can add your brand font in brand kit and can use some font with crowd shape. See that we have several music and video options. Some of them are free and some of them can be effective. I can be professional away having different background like what we do here. There are many different background images for you to choose from with the free option or the pro versions. Okay, next I'm going to show you this when you click on image. You have all these amazing effects, so I can put the event here and now. This is my favorite background erasers. I will show you how to do this. A pro feature just to remove the background, and there are several other free tools you can use. Adjust the parameter of the photo such as brightness, contrast, saturations. Use the filter. We should take advantage of free resources. They are on great tool. Next is the crop. You can crop the image with the crop tool, or you can also zoom in and out of the object by dragging and dropping it. Or flip, you can flip horizontal or flip vertical. Okay. You can choose the animation, play animation, photo animation. There will be some free template here. The one with the crowd, you will have to use a Canva Pro account. Next is position. We can adjust the parameter such as align to page top, left, middle, center, bottom, right, or use transparency to change the transparency of an image. The feature allows you to blend two photos into one and lock it when done to avoid affecting that object. Use the duplicate tool to duplicate an object. And after you finish design a product, with the feature of Canva Pro, you can adjust the image size. Some features such as transparent backgrounds, compressed file, lower qualities, with each different file formats. There will be different features. For example, if you export the file in PNG format, you can change the following features such as size, transparent backgrounds, compressed files, or you export the file in JPG format. You can change the following features such as size, quality, yes, and that's all. In Canva Pro, one of the last things is sharing a template. So if I go over here to now, it's saying I can share with people. When you share the link to edit, then the person you are sharing with will have permission to edit your product. They deserve the right to change your design, and of course, you have to accept those changes. Or after finishing a great product, you can share this template with someone so that people can use your template for their project. Or you can share your product with them by click share a link to view. Okay, and last, in short, if you are a little user, then I think a Canva account is usually enough for you to use. Their usage of Canva Regular and Canva Pro is the same. Canva Pro is just give us more beautiful image, some more special features. Thank you.